kiss. That was a good kiss. He has no idea what he's done to deserve it. No clue at all. You want to do it again? Can you give Mom a kiss? Hey, can you give Mom a kiss? 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 No, that's not it. That's not it. Come on, give me a kiss. Come on. Where's that tongue? Oh, give me a kiss. Look. Oh. Oh. I moved away. I think I was going to do it. Give me a kiss. No. Darn pepper.
Oh, he's back.
Oh, no. No. You got, oh. Give me a kiss. That's not. Oh, that's mouthing me. Oh, that's a kiss. I'll take that. That was a good kiss. I'm even a little wet still from it. Go puppy. That's my go puppy. Can you give me a kiss again?
Can give you a paw again?
That's not a kiss. There you go. Good kiss. Good kiss.
I don't think he kissed you.
He did. He licked me.
I think that was his nose.
No, it wasn't. It was his tongue.
No,
It wrapped
he
all the way
licked her.
around my thumb.
Azzy, look at the camera.
He's like, I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, there's the nose.
All right.
Right,
Where'd you go?
Oh. He's not paying attention.
That was a kiss too. That was a good kiss. That was a good
That
kiss.
that is not a howl. He tried.
You're such a good puppy.
Mom, can we go driving?
Sure.
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Az, you want to go driving?